नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अल्केमी एन मध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. खूप दिवसांनी आपण फेस टू फेस, ज्याला आपण लाईव्ह व्हिडिओ असं म्हणतोय, तो आपण करतोय. कारण ह्याच्यापूर्वीचे व्हिडिओ आपले झाले होते, पण पुन्हा एकदा वन्स अगेन कार्बन कंपाऊंड आणि राहिलेले सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पेपर फर्स्ट ह्याचे काही लेसन आपण आजपासून करणार आहोत. आज आपण लेसन बघतोय कार्बन कंपाऊंड लेसन नंबर 9. फर्स्ट कार्बन कंपाऊंडच्या पेज नंबर 110ला इम्पॉर्टंट ज्या कॉन्सेप्ट दिलेल्या आहेत, द कॉन्सेप्ट विच आर गिवन ऑन द पेज नंबर 110 ते आपण बघूया. त्याच्यामधली फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट जी आहे ती व्हॉट इज मीन बाय कार्बन कंपाऊंड. एक सिंपल आन्सर आहे रिलेटेड विथ कार्बन कंपाऊंड. द कंपाऊंड विच आर prepared from carbon and hydrogen. So this is the simple concept. The compound which are prepared from carbon and hydrogen, that compounds are known as carbon compound. In case of carbon compound, carbon is a present and hydrogen is a present as a main element. So this is the first basic concept given in our textbook that we have to understand. Okay, just it has given that this is the lesson name carbon compound, but beyond that, what is carbon compound? We have to understand that carbon compound means the compounds which are prepared from carbon and hydrogen only. Okay, second, in the second paragraph, page number 110, if you will see, you can observe that point number second they have given bonds in carbon compound. Okay, so after some minutes we are going to see bonds in carbon compound. But okay, under the bonds of carbon compound, first important point we have to understand, that is the properties of carbon compound. So paragraph number second, it is related with the properties of carbon compound. Very short one paragraph is there. What is the properties of carbon compound? Let me tell you. The melting point and boiling point of carbon compound, melting point and boiling point, the temperature at which solid substance is get melted, that is the melting point. Boiling point, the temperature at which liquid substance boils, that is called as boiling point. So the melting point and the boiling point of the carbon compound are found to be lower than 300 degrees Celsius. This is one of the important characteristics, you can say, related with carbon compound. What you are understanding? The boiling point and melting point, or the melting point and boiling point of the carbon compound are found to be lower than 300 degrees Celsius. This is one important point, you can say, characteristic of carbon compound. Okay, next to that, one table they have given. That table we have to study because okay, now we are appearing for the final examination. Methane, the melting point of methane minus 183 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point of methane, that is minus 162 degrees Celsius. Methane, once again you can listen, melting point minus 183 degrees Celsius, methane boiling point minus 162 degrees Celsius. Second compound, ethanol. Ethanol, you know, commonly called as ethyl alcohol. So ethanol or ethyl alcohol, melting point is given as minus 117 degrees Celsius. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol, boiling point is given as 78 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then chloroform molecular formula CHCl3. The melting point of chloroform is given as minus 64 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point of chloroform, that is a 61 degrees Celsius. And acetic acid, you know, CH3COOH, that compound is commonly called as acetic acid. Acetic acid, the melting point of acetic acid is 17 degrees Celsius, melting point of acetic acid, and boiling point of acetic acid in a degree Celsius, that is 118 degrees Celsius. So just we have seen the some compound, methane, ethanol, chloroform, acetic acid, and their melting point and boiling points are given on page number 110. That once again we have to verify. This is very important. Then second point we are going to see. Second point means under the bonds in carbon compound. But okay, under the bonds in carbon compound. First point we have seen properties of carbon compound. Okay, properties of carbon compound we have seen. Okay, in that properties of carbon compound we have seen melting point and boiling points are lower than 300 degree Celsius. Now we are going to see bonds in carbon compound. Now bonds in carbon compound. Number of students, they are having one doubt. What is bonds in carbon compound? Okay, they are asking, sir, what is bonds in carbon compound? The simple answer given on page number 111, that is chemical bond. The chemical bond is formed by sharing of two valence electron between two atoms is called as covalent bond. Okay, if you consider two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of hydrogen, one atom of hydrogen, one atom of hydrogen having one electron, another atom of hydrogen having one electron. By sharing of two electrons, suppose one chemical bond is formed, that is called as covalent bond. This we have to understand. Bond in carbon compound. In case of carbon compound, covalent type of bonds are present. I will show you how bond in between two hydrogen atom is formed on the board. Let us see that. Okay. So here, this is first hydrogen atom. Okay. It has one electron. This is second hydrogen atom. It has one electron. By sharing of these two electron in between two atoms of hydrogen, there is a formation of hydrogen, single bond hydrogen. This bond is called as covalent bond. So first we have to understand covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed by sharing of two electron in between two atoms. Sharing of two electron, when a single bond is formed, chemical bond is formed, that is called as covalent bond. This we have to understand. Okay, so there are two methods of representation of this. Okay, so this method, let me show you. Hydrogen, here two electrons are there. Okay, so this is first method by which we can express covalent bond. So this method is known as electron dot method. So this is the electron dot method by which we can show the covalent bond. Electron dot method. And here another method in which two atoms are joined by single covalent bond. So this is second method by which we are going to show one line. Okay, one line, single line in between two atoms representing covalent bond. So this is the electron dot method, and this is dash method. Method by which we can show covalent bond. This is dot method. Electron, these are the electron dot methods by which we are showing covalent bond is formed between two hydrogen. One dash by which we are showing covalent bond formed between two hydrogen atoms. So first we have to show this. Okay. Second thing, now we are going to show the bonding in between oxygen. Okay. So oxygen, how we are going to show? See here, I will show you. So first consider this oxygen. Okay, two oxygen atoms are there. In between two oxygen atoms, I will show you. Here you can represent two bonds. Don't forget, in between two oxygen atom, double bonds are there. Single bond, double bonds are there. And here you have to show one pair, second pair, one pair and second pair of electron. In this way, you can show double bonds are present in between two oxygen atoms. Okay, double bonds are present in between two oxygen atoms, and around each oxygen atom, one oxygen atom is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electron means 2 electron pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electron means 2 electron pair. Okay. In this way, we can show a representation of double bond in between oxygen atoms. Now, last we are going to show triple bonds in nitrogen. Okay. Here you have to draw nitrogen. 1, 2, 3. Triple bond nitrogen. On the head of nitrogen, one lone pair of electron, one lone pair of electron. So here nitrogen, triple bond nitrogen. Nitrogen carries one lone pair of electron, one pair of electron. Nitrogen carries lone pair of electron, otherwise pair of electron. So in between two nitrogen atom, triple bond is present. In this